guys, top of the morning to you. So on my porch early this morning, I had my box from MyIrelandBox.com, and I don't know too much about this box. All I know is from what I see on the website that it's $49.95. It doesn't show exactly how many items are supposed to come in the box. Looks like possibly around 5 small items. I did pay $60 with shipping, so right there, I think this is going to be high. I know you can get it a little bit less if you do it, like, say, in a 12-month, if you pay in advance and then you're paying like $41 plus shipping. But still, for the small little items, I just feel that it's going to be overpriced, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So I'd love to open this up in an Irish accent, but yeah, that's just not working for me this morning. So it looks like some chocolate, macaroon chocolate bites by Cleves Irish Confectionery Company, established in 1882, gluten-free. Okay, so chocolate macaroons. Looks good. With the finest Irish dairy ingredients, established in Limerick, Ireland. Okay, so the next item is another Cleves item as well. It's an orange crisp bar, so it's a chocolate bar with orange. And this one is not gluten-free and made from the finest sustainability Irish ingredients with the guaranteed Cleves Irish logo. Okay, so the next item, this box, is a cool redesign. That's the company, Simple Beauty. Little Irish Christmas tree, hand turned for my Ireland box. And it looks like it's a little Christmas tree ornament or, you know, a knick-knack, whatever. I have read that in Irish tradition it's bad luck to put up your tree before December 8th. And then there was also January 6th is a day that women celebrate no chores. Now for this beautiful gift for the home, it is handcrafted using sustainably sourced hardwood in County Kildare, Ireland. Okay, so the next one is a scarf. Looks like it's made by the company McNutt of Donegal, and you can research that at mcnuttofdonegal.com. It's a nice shade of brown, and it is lamb's wool. So it's a good length. I love the fringe end on it. And I don't know if this has anything more information about it. It says it can actually be washed in a washing machine with a wool setting, 30 degrees Celsius, but you must reshape, do not tumble dry. And also that it is the world's finest weaves for over 60 years. And it's located in the seaside village of Downings on Donegal's Wild Atlantic Way, the McNutt of Donegal. Now, it doesn't say the length, but it does look like it's probably 6 feet. Okay, so the next item is My Angel from Ireland. Now, this is a hand-crocheted with love by Marguerite McCarthy in West Cork. And it says her handcrafted skills go back so many years that she started at age 10. She had dreams of her own design and workups, and both wool and 5 cotton to craft beautiful crochet masterpieces. This angel is actually upside down with the writing, and I don't want to open this. This is really hard to read. But it does say she caters to people from all over the world. And you can actually wash and dry this and then starch it back to shape. Just let it dry completely. And Marguerite is from Skibbereen, County Cork. All right, looks like the next is a recipe. I'm going to butcher that name. Our Fadaths, healthy except for the marshmallows Christmas morning Santas. Aren't those cute? This is from County Kerry, it says. It makes 6 banana Santas and takes perhaps 15 minutes. You need 2 bananas, some strawberries, mini marshmallows, wooden skewers, white writing icing, and you need edible eyes or mini chocolate chips that can be used as the eyes. 6 red M&Ms. It looks like the instructions are by that name I butchered, F-I-A-D-H, Farah. I guess I'll have to look that up. I am so sorry. Age 7 on how to make these. So yeah, this looks like a lot. That looks like a cute little recipe to make with kids. Okay, so this is just a pamphlet. So it tells you a little bit about the owner of the company, a little bit about some of the people that made some of the things that are in the box, some landmarks in Ireland, some places of interest, and yeah, that's about it for that one. All right, so the next one is Kate's Christmas Tree Shortbread. So you need flour, salt, sugar, cubed butter, and some green icing. Oh, for the green icing, sorry. For the icing, you want lemon juice and sugar, green food, a few drops of hot water, and some edible silver baubles, whatever those are, or sprinkles to decorate. And then she tells you how you do it. And she's from County Kerry as well. So isn't that a delicious looking little Christmas tree ornament? All right, so the last item is Ireland People in the Landscape 2022, the calendar. So this is my favorite. I love looking at these pictures. And then here is a map of Ireland. And People and Landscape Calendar 2022 has a different area for each month. Sorry to be butchering these names, but I will do my best. So for January 2022, it's Glendala, County Wicklow. And for February, it is a traditional cottage in County Donegal. Look at that thatched roof. I just love it. So for the month of March, it's the Cliffs of Moher, County Clare. April is Dunquin and the Blasket Islands, County Kerry, and I'm zooming in on the sheep. Look at all those sheep. May is Kilmore Abbey, County Galway. And for June, it's Gap of Dunlow, Killarney, County Kerry. How beautiful is that? Look at that mountainside. I have great-grandparents that lived in Killarney, Kerry in the 1700s. So for July, it's Ballycotton in County Cork, which is approximately 2 hours from where my grandmother was born in Castletown, Bear. I wish I was born in Ireland. It's so pretty. All right, for the month of August, this is a thatched cottage in Doolin, County Clare. And there we have some women standing next to the cottage. So pretty. The water. All of it. The whole scenery is so pretty. All right, for September, it is Valentia Island, County Kerry. October is Ollie's Village, Barra, West Cork. Look at the pretty horsies. The colorful houses in the back. Looks like November is the Giant's Causeway, County Antrim. And look at that rough water. Those brave people climbed up there. But they have some beautiful pictures. So December 2022, this is a picture of Clonmacnoise, County Offaly. I just know that I butchered that whole thing. And looks like a cemetery alongside the water. Not sure what the significance is of it, but very pretty as well. So that is my Ireland People in the Landscape calendar for 2022. And if it costs just a little bit less, I would order it monthly, but with shipping, it's around $60. And as much as I love Ireland and I love getting, seeing all these beautiful pictures and receiving things from Ireland, I just feel that that's just a bit much. So that's my opinion. But what do you guys think? Did you think any of the items were nice? Like maybe that scarf? Do you think it's a good box? Lousy box? So-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.